All right, Las Vegas certainly knows how to throw a party, and when it comes to Super Bowl 58, Sin City is putting on quite the show. So many fun events there this week, entertaining tens of thousands of fans and serving as a perfect place for on-hands learning for some ASU students. Vanessa Riza live in Vegas with more on this tonight. Hey, Vanessa.
Yeah, hey, Michael. You know, these ASU students, they're going to school specifically for event management. They wanted to get into event coordinating. And what an opportunity to come here to Vegas for Super Bowl 58 to get even more experience and even more hands-on learning. Talk about hands-on learning. These ASU students are part of the Special Event Management Program and are getting into the thick of learning about the industry at Super Bowl 58 here in Vegas.
It really is an opportunity to take what we learn in the classroom, whether it be in person or the online classroom, and just bring it to life.
Aaron Schneiderman is part of the program and traveled here with 22 students, 12 of which are online, and traveled as far away as Pittsburgh, and all on their own dime.
Our main goal is to see the event management side of the Super Bowl. So in the process, we are going to work specific events.
ASU junior Dylan Barrett enjoyed the experience as a fan last year. This year, the Vegas native gets to work it in hopes of getting him one step closer to his career goal.
I would love to get into the ticketing and sales and marketing type department. I think that'd be a really cool department.
When I saw this opportunity, I really wanted to jump on it. I mean, it's always good to get the early start, especially in the event industry.
Ileana Rivera is only in her second semester at ASU and jumped at the opportunity to cover one of the world's biggest games. An experience that will travel well beyond the one they're working. And Erin said it is thanks to having her students work the Super Bowl last year when it was in Phoenix. They got the attention of the higher-ups, and they got an invitation to Super Bowl 58. She said it is all thanks to the dedication and hard work of those students, wishing them only the best. What an incredible experience here in Las Vegas.